Hello everybody. If you are watching this video, that means you already know you need to change your serpentine belts on your Kia Optima. So I'm going to cut to the chase and get to work. This is a 2018 Kia Optima, and what I'm replacing on is a serpentine belt. You can do this two ways. You can get from the top, which is a little bit harder to get to the power steering belt, but this alternator belt you can get from top. Here's your tensioner. You're going to use your 17 or 19 millimeter socket to release tension from this. This is going to be pushed this way so you can release the tension, take the belt off. But before you can put this belt back on, you got a second one down there. That's your power steering belt, and is a stretch belt. There's no tensioner on it, and the only way you could do that is turn the crankshaft as you pry the belt off of the power steering pulley, and the belt will slip off. To install the new belt, you're going to do the same way in reverse. When install this one, you're going to push, you can release the tension, guide the belt onto the pulleys, and put the tensioner back in. So I'm going to show you how it's done, but this is the procedure. Here you go. You're going to hold the spanner like that. There you go. Once you get your belt off, slowly release the tension back and take the belt out. Just unwind that thing from the AC compressor, and here we go. Here's your belt. Okay, this is normal belt, but the belt that goes on to the power steering side, you see that tiny belt right there? That's a stretch belt. It's a special belt. And to do that, I'm taking the old one off, so I'm not going to worry about taking it off. I'm just going to cut it with the blade. I just used the blade and cut the belt off because there's no reason to fight with it. Now, to install the new one, you're just gonna put the belt onto the crank pulley, extend the belt out to the power steering pulley, and crank the crank pulley with the hand while guiding the belt onto the pulley, and it slides back in. Here's the old belt I just took out, and just so you know how to check your belt when you see cracks like these, the belt's no good. Your new belt's right here. Measure it, make sure it's the same length. You can see it does not indicate any special type of belt. When you go to this little one, you would see it says stretch fit. So that's what we're going to do. What I did, take the wheel off. Then you're going to need 22 millimeter socket, long extension. You don't have to take the cover off. And you can get to the pump from this little cavity. So I'm going to ride the belt onto the crankshaft pulley and then slowly guide it onto the pulley. So here you go. See the belt on it? You just crank your pulley and watch the power steering pulley, and the belt will, there you go, snap onto in place. Next thing you're going to do is turn it full rotation to make sure there's no uneven spot. On my side it looks good. Crankshaft is right on spot. So now we're going to rotate and install the main belt. So for this, you're going to go down, guide it onto the crankshaft pulley and and the AC compressor. Once you're done guiding the belt onto the alternator and AC compressor, now it's time to release the tensioner down. Watch your fingers. And now one thing you need to confirm is make sure the belt is in between the pulleys and onto the groove. Like you see, the crankshaft's right on time. You can feel on the AC compressor. Perfect. So that's it. The only reason I cut this belt off is because I'm not going to use it, and there's no reason to fight it. That helps you save some time. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. I always try to make small videos with quick installations to save you money so you can do this work by yourself. Please like and subscribe, and good luck with your repairs. Take care.